this particular product is the only one in this country, at least, that actually has bitumen in it. Everything else is just stuff with a bit of pigment and it's crap. So this was one of those products that actually came about by actually having the need for doing this ourselves. And I couldn't find anything anywhere at all that actually had bitumen or tarmac, a tarmac sealer. This is port and basically UV or urethane resin for doing resin flooring applications. Basically seamless resin flooring, industrial stuff, garages, hospitals, kitchens, all that sort of stuff. Anti-slip, seamless, all that. For bathrooms and shower trays, all that sort of stuff too. that's your D260. This is your B260. And then these are your A trims. This is where your gutter will sit. This is your drip trim. And this is your A200, yeah? Okay? So what we're going to do is, we've got this loaded with a bit of mastic in here. And we've already started doing a little bit of it. So just finish it off. And we're going to go along this joint. This is already done.
Right up along the top, we obviously you have to do here every joint basically.
Well, along the top is actually, you put a flashing over that, so you wouldn't actually do the top piece. And they say, strictly speaking, you're supposed to be allowing a little bit of breathability from your roof upwards.
What do you need for that to go up?
So we're going to do it straight away.
Right.
Now you can use it on its own as a sealer if you like. But when you're using it with this, because it's all made from the same material, we're going to go prime straight over it right away. And the primer will actually give it a bit more pliability as well. Right?
Primer on then straight after the.
Oh yeah, we can go straight on so we can, yeah. We're going to give this 5 or 10 minutes to cure, it won't take long. So lay our base of lava down here first, okay? Now we're using a 4-inch tape. Make sure it's all liquid underneath, so it's fully getting underneath there. Now, throw that back down. Is that it? Just rolling it down, making sure she's flush, no air holes or pockets or anything like that. And yeah. So this particular matting now is a powder bound matting, and even though it's sitting in a corner, it shouldn't really be folding, but it actually breaks down with this stuff, so it's a lot easier to use now.
It works in round the corner for you nearly.
Huh?
It nearly works in round for you, you know.
Exactly.
Molds in nearly,
That's
yeah.
what I was trying to say.
Yeah.
George, I was saying it to there earlier on. See that, George? That's the new matting there. I purposely put it in the corner there. And see the way I've just rounded it just by touching it.
Oh yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Is it powder wove or something?
Powder bound, yeah,
powder
that's
bound,
right.
yeah.
It's still fiberglass, right?
It's still fiberglass, but it's not emulsion bound or emulsion matted. So it's using powder as the binder, so it breaks down nicely when you're using it, you see. You only have to put a light layer on the edges, and a dark grey top coat looks real nice as well. We'll talk about that in a second.
Is it spread well, that top coat, yeah?
Really well.
Yeah, that's
good. Really well. So like one tin of it will do about 30 square metres, and you get one man to roll it like 30 square metres in 10 minutes. Like it flies on very fast.
See when you were saying about the white spirits, does it need that as well?
No.
Oh, just go on.
No need for white spirits or anything like that, no. It could be down a few weeks or whatever, and you're going back to do something or join on or whatever. You rub it with the xylene, and then prime it, and then go on with your lava.
I can put the second coat also if you want.
Straight away, yeah. Just use the matting, simpler. You can go wet on wet, liquid, matting, liquid straight away. You can build it up your 2.5 mils. You can come back, you can leave it at that now, and that's fine. Or you can come back the next day and put your dark grey top coat on. That's your 25-year warranty spec, and that'll be really, really durable. You know what I mean? You'll have your 3.5 mil on there, flexible. It'll do everything.
Question about the angle. How is the maximum angle that you can put?
You can put it on a vertical surface if you want. We also have a product there called Vertical, Lava Vertical, same thing in a thicker form, and you can use it on vertical surfaces. I'd recommend to get your 2.3 or 2.5 mil build up on there, use matting and do it in multiple coats, right? That's how you do that. Either multiple coats, use matting, or use the lava detail or lava vertical, okay? And that's how you build up the thickness on a vertical surface or a sloped surface. Any other questions,
So
lads?
is that 25-year warranty spec now?
That will be now.
Without the top coat, it's
Without the
25
top
years.
coat?
Without the top coat, because now there's just to talk specs and warranties, right? This here, you can see that that's like 1.5-ish mil, do you know what I mean? That needs another bit of juice there. Right here, we've brought that up. That's now nearly 3.5 mil thick. This is your 25-year warranty spec. The top coat on top of that there will just increase the lifetime of it, and it'll look better. You can also do it at, you have two specs, right? You either have up to 2.5 mil of lava 20 with or without matting, depending on the surface, and that's a 25-year warranty. Or 1.8 kg of lava, 1.8 mil of lava with top coat on it, and you don't need to use the matting. Surface dependent, so that goes for metal and stuff like that. But if you're going over timber, you have to obviously tape joints on metal, all that stuff. Or if you're going over felt and asphalt, it requires matting, and you're going to be pushed onto this spec anyway. For simplicity, the best thing is 2.5 kgs per square metre will basically get you up to this spec all day long. That's your 25-year warranty. Keep it simple, and then if you want, you've got your dark grey top coat on there. That just prolongs the life, and once applied, in theory the system will last forever because it's a zero degradation coating, okay? That's it, finished. For the man, if someone was asking me there a while ago, what's the quickest way of doing it? This is the quickest way. Wet on wet. You don't need to come back and do any more layers.
Yeah.
That's it, done now. You've got your 3.5 mil of lava down there. It's fully reinforced. That's it, job done. Clear top coat was applied, and then another layer of clear top coat is going to be applied to it now. So underneath that will have its 2.5 mil of lava, and then your quartz sitting on top. Yeah. Attach there, buddy. Start rolling around. So. That's kind of intended for is walkways, balconies, terraces, car parks, all that kind of thing.